Boys and girls, we have a new story. Shark versus Train. Written by Chris Barton and Tim Lichtenheld. Shark versus Train. Who will win? I'm going to chew you up and spit you out. Ha! I'm going to finish you, mackerel breath. So, Shark versus Train. Who do you think will win? Well, that depends on if they're in the ocean. How's that furnace working for you? Or on railroad tracks. Can we make it 2 out of 3? If they're on a seesaw. Or in hot air balloons. Roasting marshmallows. Eating pies. I could go for some coal. Or having a burping contest. Burp, belch. It depends on whether they're bowling. That counts as a strike, right? This is why you guys have a bad reputation. Shooting baskets. Ooh, look at this, I have to turn it. Or going off the high dive. I think the shark won that one for sure. Running lemonade stands. Have more, I've got plenty. What do you mean it's a little watery? Trick-or-treating. The clown is very hungry. I didn't notice that before. Look, the pumpkin looks upset. Or giving rides at a carnival. And it says shark rides are free. And this sign says, you must be this crazy to go on this ride. Train rides, $1. It can depend on who gets to pick first. Let's see which one. Who names the game? Your choice. Riding the rails, battle train, Trainial Pursuit, Tractionary, Caboosey Land. And who deals the cards? I believe these cards are marked. Go fish! But who wins if they're playing hide and seek? Or trying not to get shushed? But I wasn't doing anything. Performing in a piano recital. Sorry, the sound of the sea always gives me the munchies. I guess I hit that last note a little hard. Or playing extreme zombie squirrel motocross. Sure would help if we had thumbs. Yup. Oh, 0-0. Exploring distant galaxies. We need to find some train tracks. I have a bad feeling about this. Or sword fighting on a tightrope. Sword fight? I thought we were having sword fish. Couldn't we do this on a bridge or in a depot? Or, okay, this is getting ridiculous. Now would be a good time for a break. Look, let me show you the picture. Boys, lunch. Oh, and there they go, tossing their toys back into the toy box. What an awesome imagination those boys have. Next time, you're history, soot spewer. Next time, you're sunk, squid slurper. So boys and girls, if you had a toy that could come to life, what would you choose? What do you think would be really cool? And it's so funny, I right away thought of Gianna because I know exactly what she's going to say. So that is your little writer's workshop for the day. If you could choose one of your toys that could kind of come to life, what would you choose? But guess what? I have the next secret word. Are you ready? I hope you listen to the whole video because it's for the very end. The word is lion. Okay? The word is lion. All right, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed our book, and I hope you listened to get the new secret word. All right, boys and girls, have a great day. Bye.